Find or read reviews that people are talking about Mutaomay Cordless Rechargeable Pool Vacuum. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 18 gallon per minute suction, dominate dirt instantly. Power through leaves, sand, and debris with the Mutaomay Cordless Pool Vacuum. Its high-speed motor delivers an impressive 18 gallons per minute, ideal for above-ground pools, in-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. Expect a deep, thorough clean every time, fast, versatile, and powerful. 90-minute runtime and fast 3-hour recharge, clean without pause. The long-lasting 4500 mAh battery delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning and fully recharges in just 3 hours. Perfect for spontaneous pool parties, post-storm cleanups, or routine maintenance. No interruptions, no delays. Targets what robots miss: stairs, corners and edges. Robotic vacuums can't get everywhere, but this handheld vacuum can. Designed to reach tricky areas like steps, pool edges, and tight corners, it's the perfect complement to your automatic cleaner for a truly spotless pool. Modular pole design, easy to store, easy to extend. Comes with a lightweight, detachable multi-section pole that can be assembled for different lengths to suit various pool sizes. Whether you're cleaning a compact spa or a deep in-ground pool, you can customize your reach and disassemble it for compact storage when you're done. Cordless and hassle-free, all-in-one cleaning kit. No cables, no complex setup. Just twist the switch and go. Includes everything you need: vacuum head, main unit, and modular pole sections all in one box, ready to clean right away. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.